Hi guys! Good morning! Kumusta na kayo? So wala pang 24 hours. And tara, Austin! Say hi! So we're on our first day dito sa Manila. So we just got out of the condo. So ito yung area namin. So malapit dito yung mga happenings. So it's very convenient. So anyways, we're on our way to Cash and Carry para mag-shopping at mag-grocery for all the things that we need back sa States. And wala, akala ko Austin is gonna be hot or uulan ng malakas. Pero guys, so far wala naman. Wala naman masyadong ulan. And also guys thank you very much for watching. Nagulat ako, ang taas ng views ng channel natin. You know, so I'm like, thank you dun sa mga tawag dito, curious ko ng ginagawa namin. At saka also thank you dun sa mga bagong subscribers. Austin, say thank you to the new subscribers. Hello guys. So anyways, nandito lang kami. Masaya kami na nandito kami sa Philippines. Parang we were just here. Yun nga, we were just here. Now we're back. And wala, I'm just looking forward na makarelax dito. And especially guys, kumain. I can't wait to eat. Anyways, thank you very much. And then I'll just take you to the grocery and see kung ano bang mga meron dito. Alam nyo guys, sa totoo lang, favorite ko talaga mag-grocery dito sa Philippines at saka sa Thailand. Pero especially sa Philippines. Grabe yung grocery dito, no? Ang daming variety. Kasi sa States naman, Austin, very simple lang yung grocery doon, ano? Yung mga essentials lang talaga. Unlike dito sa Philippines, it's like, yung chocolate island, candy island ninyo, oh my god, it's not even an aisle, it's a corner. Lucky. So anyways, talk to you later. Bye. So anyways guys, I just wanted to show you yung area. Maganda talaga ang pagkagawa nila sa Makati, no? It would be very nice. It would be, may bagong mall dyan, ano?
Yeah, may Denny's.
Yung may Denny's. Okay. Like, kasi si Austin, he wants to try the Denny's here in the Philippines. Kasi nakita niya yung menu dito is different from the one in the States. They have like breakfast, pero yung breakfast nila is like Filipino. So anyways, yeah. Alam niyo guys, I'm so amazed kay Austin. Kasi like, di ba dito siya nag-college and then pabalik-balik siya sa States. Tapos after school, tumira na siya sa States for good. So, ang tagal niya na sa States, pero marunong pa rin siya mag-drive. At saka hanggang ngayon, marunong pa si Austin mag-drive ng stick shift. Ako guys, hindi ako marunong mag-drive ng stick. Ang alam ko lang talaga, automatic. So, kung magkaroon ng zombie apocalypse at lahat lang ng cars na matitira stick shift, patay ako. Kasi I can't run that fast because I'm very slow and I'm heavy. Tapos, hindi pa ako marunong mag-drive ng stick. I'm dead. So, anyways, ang galing ni Austin, no? Marunong siya sumingit-singit. Ayan, Kung ako yan, siguro sumisigaw na ako na, oh my gosh, like, nakakala ko mamamatay ako. Pero si Austin, very calm siya. Very calm siya dito mag-drive sa Philippines. Baliktad, sa States, stress siya mag-drive. Yung mga tao nga doon, mas better drivers at pero I don't know, mas relax si Austin mag-drive dito. Ako baliktad. I can drive here if I really need to. Pero, syempre, mas sanay ako mag-drive sa States kasi I've been driving there since I was 17. So, anyways, kaya mo talaga mag-drive dito, Austin, ano? Dito kasi nag-aral, no? At saka the first car na dinray mo, stick, right? Ang galing. Wala pang automatic daw noon, guys. So anyways, I just wanted to give Austin a shout out sa kanyang driving talent. I know. So anyway, sabi ni Austin, doon sa vlog niya na isa, sabi niya, see you guys. Sa isip ko, naku, may pa see you guys ka pa. Akala mo naman may meet and greet ka. Niloloko ko siya, guys. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, maybe someday, no, kung meron may mag-meet and greet, pumunta kami, makisabay kami para ma-meet ko yung mga iba sa inyo na nanonood ng vlog namin. Kasi lahat naman tayo, pare-pareho, parang yung mga nanonood sa PEG, nanonood sa 5, kina Zenny, kina Ruel, kina Jose, sa akin, it's like almost the same group of people. Kaya parang it's one big family. So anyways, pupunta, ready na siya, Austin. Go na kami sa grocery. So we're here. Dito na kami sa second favorite na grocery store ko. Cash and Carry. Ang favorite ko talaga is Landmark. Kaya lang, tawag dito, this one has more stuff. So, dito muna kami. Yan. Yay! I'm so happy to be here. I'm happy. We're inside, guys. And Austin's already looking at kung saan niya gusto mag-lunch. Ayan. I love the smell. The smell, I can smell, lechon. I can smell chicharon. I could smell, desserts. So, ayan. I'm so happy. Are you happy na you're here? Aww. Ayan, guys. Let the fun begin. Grocery na. And it's getting his cart. And of course, you have to wipe the handle first. Ay, ano yan? Ako may nahulog. So, I'm so excited, guys. Look at all the things here. And again, like ko sinasabi, love na love ko talaga ang grocery store dito sa Philippines. Kasi ang dami-dami talagang laman. Ayan, guys. So, oh my goodness. I'm just so happy. Tingnan natin. Ah, ang bawa ng kaligayahan, ano? Hindi talaga kasi ang grocery store sa States, very simple lang talaga. It's not like this. Ang dami-daming variety at saka it's very colorful. No, Austin, right? Yan, see? So, biruin mo ha. This is the first thing that we do pag naglaland kami is mag-grocery. O, sige guys, enjoy ko muna yung mag-grocery and pakita ko na lang sa inyo may kung anong mga boodle finds namin. Okay, bye guys! Ooh, bread! Ayan. Ay nako, guys, hindi ko lang sa inyo masabi talaga yung feeling ko ngayon. Talagang I am just so happy to be here. I'm just so grateful na Austin and I may opportunity kami to visit the Philippines at least twice a year. Kasi wala, it's like parang, it's just really nice to be here, especially seeing all these beautiful products. Siguro kayo, you just take it for granted kasi you see it all the time, no? Pero for us, it's very different. We love it. Kasi sa States, ang mahal-mahal kaya ng mga products na to. Kasi syempre, of course, it's imported. Kaya I'm just like so happy. Ayan. Matutuwa talaga ako. Kung sana mas malapit pa ang Philippines, siguro once a month nandito ko. Kaya lang ang layo. Ayan. Austin, get me some, pineapple juice. Sige. Ayan, guys. Look at all the beautiful hot dogs. Filipino hot dogs. And, ta-da! Longganisa and tocino. See mo naman hindi mag-enjoy dito, oh. All the good food naman sa States, it's here. But not as expensive. Guys, nakita na ni Austin yung favorite niya, Delimundo. Ayan, oh. Kung ano mga pinagbibili namin, walang rhyme or reason. Yung iba dadalhin sa States, yung iba supplies namin para sa, sa place namin dito sa Philippines. So, ayan. Ang dami talaga selection ng corned beef. Ito marami ito sa States. Malalaki pa yung palm. Pero ang favorite talaga ni Austin, ayun o. Yung Delimundo. Ayan. What flavor did you get, Austin? Ah. Okay, guys. So we're almost done grocery shopping. And then after this, maghahanap kami ng place where he wants to eat. Oreo. Sige. Ayan, guys. Have fun! We are done. We're done. Hanena, puno na yung cart. And since, tawag dito, this is gonna be so heavy kasi yung parking space namin sa basement pa. So, dadalhin namin lahat yan, isa-isa. So, sabi ko, tama na, we'll be back naman uli. So, anyways, thank you for watching. We're gonna go ahead and look for, kung saan kami kakain for lunch. Kayo ba, mahilig kayo mag-grocery at saan ang favorite ninyong grocery store? Ako, Landmark, at saka second is ito, Cash and Carry. Anyways, guys, nakakatuwa talaga. Ang daming laman dito. Ay, milk. I didn't get milk. Thank you, guys. Done. There you go. All the goodies. Ang dami. Ayan. Okay, it's time to pay, guys. Si Austin, kasama niya yung bagger. Dinala na yung groceries sa car. And, guys, natutuwa ako sa pizza na to. Yung Filipino pizza. It tastes so good. So, I'm gonna go ahead and buy like 4 boxes for my cousin's kids. Kasi gusto nila yon. Like not really Pizza Hut and everything, but they like the sweet Filipino pizza. So anyways, we're here. I know, thank you for watching. And I really appreciate you supporting nyo, nanonood kayo. And thank you also for all the comments. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye guys.